Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this Kinder Surprise cake. Brilliant for any kid's birthday party. And the best thing is, there's candies hidden inside. Let's start with a basic vanilla cake cut like so. It's cut into an egg shape with a hole in the bottom half, coated in white buttercream icing. Smoothing it out and adding on another layer of vanilla cake cut the same way, then place some candies inside the hole. And more buttercream icing on top. Once that's smoothed out, you can add the final layer, which does not have a hole. Let's coat the whole thing in white buttercream. Just spread it and smooth it out. Then refrigerate for 15 minutes. Then we've got some red fondant icing which we've rolled out thinly, and we're just covering 2/3 of the cake, pressing it down, removing the excess, now turn your cake upside down and place some white fondant icing. The top rim has been cut into a kind of a wave shape, almost covering it to the top but not quite, leaving some red poking out there, and again cutting off the excess. Brilliant! Time to decorate! Get some blue fondant icing, roll it out flat and use an S cutter to cut out the letter. Do the same with all the letters using a variety of different coloured fondant icing, and there you have surprise! Kinder Surprise. A few extra white bits of fondant go on there. Looks like a splash. Amazing! Then just slice. And let the candies fall out. This is going to be a hit. Absolutely fantastic. I just don't know which bit to eat first. This is the best cake surprise ever.